Welcome to our channel, where we provide AI tips and tricks to help you get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize various industries. If you're new to AI, here are some basic tips to help you navigate this exciting technology. First, familiarize yourself with the different types of AI, including machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning algorithms allow computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning uses neural networks to mimic the human brain and is a subset of machine learning. When implementing AI, it's important to have high-quality data for the accuracy and success of the AI model. Remember to start small and focus on a specific problem or task that can benefit from AI. Choose the right AI framework or tool that suits your needs, whether it's TensorFlow, PyTorch, or others. Keep in mind that AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution and may require customizations for optimal results. Stay updated with the latest AI advancements and research to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field. For a limited time, we are offering a free AI consultation to help you explore the possibilities for your business. Take advantage of this opportunity and let our experts guide you through the intricacies of AI implementation. Don't miss out on this chance to harness the power of AI and unlock new opportunities for your organization. Subscribe to our channel for more AI tips, tutorials, and in-depth discussions.